So, good evening, all of you. ICA has given the love letter. They have thrown this to the students. So, I hope you have gone through the notification which was released a few minutes back. So, I came live in YouTube today to share this new notification for examinations with you. So, don't you think it is rather a kind of shock? Actually, I am not a student. I am not writing the examinations. I have cleared it 15 years back. But still, I am able to hear the beat of my own heart. So I really do not know what will happen to students now. So it is actually a kind of, literally, this is a shock. This is nothing less than a shock. So I had my lunch. I was, doing something with my mobile, and then all of a sudden I saw this notification by ICI. It took some time for me to digest what is happening. So I thought, let me go to the students, let me help the students. So what do you think this notification is? How to take it? Will the exams really happen? Few students also started sending messages. Pawan sir, do you think exams really will happen as per this notification? Now, I'll do two parts in this session interaction with the students. First one is, let us see what is this important announcement ICA has given, and then second thing is, let us see the possibility or the pros and cons of this notification. So this is look here, examination department, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, 26th May 2021. There is some important announcement in continuation to the announcement dated 27th April. It is hereby announced for general information that the Chartered Accountants Intermediate under old scheme IPCC and Inter under new scheme, final old scheme and new scheme, and post qualification courses, insurance risk management, technical examination, and international taxation assessment test of May 2021 examinations, which were, last time this examinations were postponed indefinitely, shall now commence from Monday 5th July 2021 across the globe. The detailed schedule for the said examinations will be announced shortly. The candidates are advised to note the above and stay in touch with the website of the institute, www.icai.org. This is the notification. Not even 24 hours, yesterday, I think around evening 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, I made a video and I asked the students, just imagine, just it is a vague, thought, a weird thought I felt. Yesterday morning, I felt like, what if ICI comes with a notification? That is what I told in my yesterday's video, whatever I have uploaded. I said, what if, I asked the student, what if ICI announces tomorrow and conduct examination from July? Then I said, in my personal opinion, examination should happen in the second week of July, in the second half of July, that means third or fourth week of July in the best case, and in the worst case, it will happen in the first week of August. This was my prediction. Without any information in our hand, this was my prediction. But now ICI announced from 5th July itself. So hardly we have, you do not even have 40 days in your hand. So 26th is over today, 26th, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 5 days here, then June, 30 days, and then 4 days in July. That means how many days we have? 5 plus 30, 35 plus 4, 39 days. You do not even have 40 days. So today morning, I started preparing a study plan for 45 days, starting from July 1st, June 1st. You remember yesterday in my video, I told you that I am preparing a free test series. I am preparing a study plan to help the students, which will start from 1st June onwards. And I was preparing it for 45 days. That means I thought examination will happen only after 15th of July. But now we do not have that much of time also. We are running literally against time. So I am revising my study plans to fit into 30 days. That means I will start maybe by 28th or 29th, the study plan I will start. And I try to complete it within 30 days with mock exams. 8 mock exams will be there. in intermediate and final both, if you take, 2 groups are there, per group 4 papers are there. So we have to start our preparation just like tomorrow, and you have to start your preparation from today itself. So I told that, you know, you will not be able to digest if notification comes immediately. And one of the students in YouTube also has given a comment that, sir, I am unable to breathe now itself, because you said if tomorrow announcement comes, then what will happen if actually announcement comes? Now this is the time. Personally, my personal, with all due respect to ICAI, with due respect to all the central council members, personally, I couldn't take this 5th July notification, because I feel this is too early. So you check the vaccine availability, you check the possibility of you know, less than this 18 to 45 students getting vaccinated. Personally, I myself couldn't get a first dose also. A student who is writing CA intermediate examination is 15 years younger than me. So in many states we are not getting. 28th of you know, I think 28th of April they opened the portal. That means literally it is 1 month. 1 month back I have registered in Cowin that website. Till today, 1 month I am verifying every day. Vaccine availability is not there near in and around me, and I am ready to travel 100 kilometers, 200 kilometers also. Still vaccine availability is not there for me. Then what about the students? Without taking 2 doses of vaccine, simply if we start exams in 5th July, how safe it is we do not know. So this is not safe for mental health of the student. This is not safe for the physical health of the student. And already half of the students continuously they are saying, Pawan sir, in my vicinity someone is affected, someone is having COVID positive. In my family someone is having COVID positive. I have so many students that themselves said, Pawan sir, I am COVID positive now. So in this situation, are we really ready for the examinations? Isn't it, you know, maybe in a hurry we released 5th July. So some students are asking, Pawan sir, will exams really happen on 5th July? I don't know. My personal instinct says, you know, you call it instinct, you call it intuition, you call it common sense. So personally it says, maybe I am in 2 minds. Should I encourage the student? Should I motivate the student? And should I ask the student, sit and study from tomorrow? Or speaking the reality check is, will we be ready in 30 days? Do you think the whole country of 140 crore population, we have 1.4 billion people here, do you think it will be safe for us to come out? So today we are sitting on 26th May, police are beating us left and right to the blue. If we go out even to buy you know, medicines and vegetables, in triple lockdown even vegetable shops are not open. So in these kind of situations, are we really ready to conduct these examinations on 5th July across the country? And another thing is, imagine half of the country, these numbers are coming down, but what about the remaining states where still the numbers are very high, still the vaccines are not available, and our vaccine production capacity is also very less. So there are certain countries where vaccination drive was covered, you know, 50% of population, 40% of population, 30% of population. But I read somewhere, I really do not know whether it is a correct statistic, genuine statistic or no, but somewhere I read that in India we have just covered 4% of population is you know, have taken vaccine successfully. Now imagine 4 is wrong number, imagine 10%. What about 90%? Yeah, what about remaining 90%? Personally, I couldn't get. I can influence. I have doctor friends. I have connections. I can spend money. But still, for me, not even first dose of vaccine is available till today, till now. I did not influence. That is another story. I did not try to get it. My mom got it. She is 60 plus, so I am happy. But personally, I did not get vaccine, and I am scared to go to bring medicines, milk, and fruits itself. So even when a person, you know, when I order in any e-commerce portal, some guy is coming to give delivery of vegetables also, I'm not even touching it. And I am scared. So we sanitize that, we put it in the veranda, we put it outside. So 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, 4 hours, after that I am bringing it, again I am sanitizing, again I am putting. as per the suggestion of my family doctor and friends, I have to take lukewarm water, put baking soda in it, put turmeric in it, put salt in it, and then put all the vegetable and fruits, and then wash them, and then dry them. After that you take the bath. So this is the process we are going through. In this situation, start your preparation is actually heavy on the students. So I am feeling little sorry for the student. Having said that, what to do? Do we have any other option? We someone or the other, if not I, if not you, someone will start, dear ICAI, postpone exams. That handle will come. In the social media, it come. Definitely people will protest it. Definitely someone or the other will do it. But what shall be our action? What shall we do? I don't know. The reality is they announced that the exams are going to happen from 5th July, which personally I feel there is 50% probability, at least I believe there is at least 50% probability that these exams again will be postponed. There is a 50% probability, if not more, because the whole country is not ready. The whole country is not ready. It is not safe to go outside. What are the numbers we are looking at? And yesterday, how many of you have given replies to my video that numbers are coming down because of less testing? Numbers are coming down because people are not going for testing. Numbers are coming because, the system is not capable of doing this testing and all. Till today, we do not have a ready-made kit with which we can test ourselves at home. And previously, 1 year back, when this corona first wave came, we used to say that, in this street, this Apollo Road is there. In this Apollo Road, last but one house is there, no yellow color building. In that one case is there. Like that we used to speak. Now, around you, 20 feet circumference, if you take, 10 cases are there. And still, your app says you are safe. That is irony. So, keep it aside. So, finally, what is to be done? If you are the student, what is the course of action? So my personal opinions I'm telling you. Point number 1, this is little hard on the students to accept 5th July as the examination date. ICAI, I felt, who am I to tell ICAI, because ICAI is like sky and we are normal human beings. ICAI must have taken some more time. Hey, nothing will happen in 1 month, okay? So if they postpone it by 1 more month, will sky fall on? Will it be the Avenger Endgame? Nothing would have happened. So, maybe if I am sitting in that chair, I would have at least taken this to August. Because in this 1-2 months, we'll monitor how the environment is. Is the environment good? That the student can travel, that the student can go and appear the examination. So these many variants are there, and every day black fungus, yellow fungus, white fungus, my head, your tail, okay, and then corona, new elements they are speaking about. I do not understand that scientific language. It is present in 58 countries and all. So every day we are coming across some new shock, and ICAI released the dates. So it is hard to digest, but still we do not have any other option to do. If it is possible, with all this humbleness and with due respect to ICAI, we request, Sarji, 5th July is a risk. So please, in the interest of students, thoda, you are very harsh father. You are disciplining this kid like anything. But I understand you are our father. Please be little sober and take it maybe end of July or August. That would be better. This, if we can do, I want to do it. If I have the capacity, authority, or if I deserve to speak like this, I would have requested ICAI, dear ICAI, please, August mein karo yaar. So July will be little fast. This is point number 1. Point number two. Now that the notification has come, the water has come up to this level. The water has come up to this, not this level. We are not in this level water. We are in this level water. So what can be done? Is there any option in our hand? So ICAI, are they allowing us to speak out? Are they understanding what our version is? It is very difficult. Yeah, in some of the places I am telling you, in the name of containment zone, you are not allowed to touch your gate also. You are not allowed to come out of your house. Psychologically, people are not doing good. Psychologically, people are not doing good. So, the mental health of people is literally screwed up. So, is this the situation where a student has to fight against all these odds and give the examination? If I am a student, I was a very studious student. Okay, all of you might have known what kind of academic track record I have. Foundation inter final, I have ranks in CMA, I have ranks in CA also. I have done 2-3 professional qualifications simultaneously when I was a student, and I was a literal ranker material because I was very studious. Having said that, if I am student today, I would have left this 5th July exams. I cannot struggle this 30 days for preparation, for taking care of the family, and that brainstorming and adjusting the mindset, accepting to go out and all. And one way government is asking, don't go outside, don't go outside, don't go outside. And one way schools, colleges are closed. And another way you are saying from 5th July examinations. So, dear ICI, please consider here, we are small people, you are big, strict father, we understand, but thoda, you can consider maybe August. See, every state is cancelling 10th class examinations. Some states are cancelling 12th class examinations also. And then they are saying that you are promoted to the next class. So, this COVID has proved that even schools, colleges, education is not a primary concern like vegetables, fruits, etc., etc., etc. They are not allowed to open now. Why schools are not allowed to open? Because social distancing is very difficult. Social distancing is very difficult. Sanitization is very difficult. And imagine if one person knowingly or unknowingly, one student knowingly, unknowingly comes and sit in the examination hall to write the exam. And he got a fever in the examination hall, and then he asked the invigilator, sir, can I go home? I'm not feeling well, I'm suffering from fever. Remaining 70-80 students writing now, they will get a heart attack there. They will get a heart attack there. With what confidence you will go? And even your fellow student sneezes also, you will get a heart attack. And you have elderly people at home, children at home. In commutation from your house to the examination center, and from examination center to the house, how much of risk in public transportation you are getting? So everybody is not having cars, no? When I go out in the car and I do not get down, I take a packet of this vegetables itself, I am sanitizing 100 times. So the probability or the risk when you are traveling in your own car is pretty much lesser. But still, I am unable to. One of my aunts, my cousin's mom, my aunt, she's a gynec. Yesterday evening, I was speaking with the cousin. He said, Mom, whenever she gets a call from any of the patients that I have PCOD issue, that they say some technical things I do not understand. Ovulation, something he was telling, that is something related to the fertility and conceiving. So all these patients, whoever is calling, aunt is saying only one thing: this is not the necessity. Survive 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 1 year. Don't think of anything, just survive. Don't come to the hospital. Don't call me. Don't come for consultation. If online consultation is available, some doctor is giving, take it. Otherwise, don't come to my clinic. I am not ready for you. If you are 9th month pregnant, for delivery, if you want to come, only for you, the hospital, my clinic is open. I will risk my life and I'll give delivery to your baby. But if you are for any other complaint, if you are calling or if you are coming, the doors are closed. I will not even see you get lost. So a doctor with 30 years of practice, 30 years of practice is saying this. Unless you are a 9th month pregnant, For the delivery, if you want to come, you come. All other cases, we are closed. In that situation, in that risk, in that sensitivity, if we are asking a student of 20 years to come out of the home, how many? Thousands of people across the country. Thousands of people. So if you are asking, dear student, come out, come and write examination. If I am the student, I would have, given up. But actually, as a student, it is very difficult to take a call. Now I am saying that if I am a student, I will do that. But a student will think, I am the student, so what should I do? So my dear friends, I am telling you one thing. Please don't take anything to your heart, mind. Don't get stressed. No panic attacks. No, you'll gasp for breath also, I am telling you, if you are running against your mindset and all. First, sit, take a deep breath for a while, not in seconds or minutes. Take some time, maybe 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours. Think. Don't discuss with people. If you discuss with people, maybe your mom and dad might say, shut your mouth, go and write examinations. Possible. Or if your mom and dad are little soft on you, they will say, beta, don't worry, don't write the examinations, it's okay. So it is not about the parents, it is not about the lecturers, it is not about the institutions, it is not about ICA, it is about you. It is about you. You sit, don't speak with any other person, no friends also. You decide, am I ready for this exam? Am I seriously ready for this exam? Shall I write the exam? Or shall I give up? Shall I give up? Giving up, I'm telling you, in this kind of situations, is not a failure. If you have a social stigma on your face, and if you feel like, no, if I am not appearing for this exam, someone will feel something, parents will think something, relatives will, beta, I'm telling you, it is about you. It is about your life. It is about your mindset. Are you able to run this faster? Someone is setting goal for you. Run, baby, run. Run, baby, run. Run, boy, run. So someone is setting goal for you. Think, am I really ready to write the exam? My preparation wise. So looking at the, places, your neighborhood, your street, your district, your town, how the cases are growing, vaccine availability, am I really ready for the exam? You think and take a call. Do not get any kind of panic attacks. Do not feel the stress and all. Imagine if you are not writing for this, exam, still it is okay. Nothing will happen in your beautiful life of 80 years. This is bloody 6 months, I'm telling you. In your beautiful life of 80 years, this is bloody 6 months. When I was writing +2, my intermediate examinations, not CA intermediate, +1 and +2 in Andhra Pradesh, we call them junior inter, senior inter. That means you are 12th class. So I was writing my 12th class examinations. In the March examinations are, and in Jan, I have got some, some fever. It is a very big thing, like it is called transverse myelitis, which is a viral fever, where the parts of the body got paralyzed for me, and I was on the bed. And then I need to fill the exam application. When I was in hospital, I need to fill the exam application. So my friends and all, they paid the fee. Fee is 120 rupees. Exam fee you need to pay to write the exams. I asked my friend, you go and pay the fee for me also. By the time I'll recover, I'll come and I'll write. Doctor told me, you cannot go and write the examination. Don't go. And you know what kind of studious person I am. I was crying as if someone died there. That much I'm crying. Why? I want to write exam. So I know how difficult it is for a student to, give up one attempt. And I'm telling you today, so many people, they do not know. Today I'm telling you, I failed that 12th examination because I was absent for all the exams, and the next year only I was able to write it. 1 year I was unable to write the exams because of my health issue. That is the reason I have, I was demoted. Literally, those who are 1 year younger than me are my classmates in BCom. In BCom, all my classmates are 1 year younger than me. Why? Because I failed in 12th class. I couldn't write. I couldn't digest not writing examination. So I was struggling. Today, I am feeling like your situation will be like that. But beta, listen, to apply or any opt-out kind of situation, ICAI will give enough time for you, I'm telling you. It is not about that bloody 1000 rupees, 2000 rupees of exam fee. Okay, so imagine you have done a charity. You have paid that to one noble cause. One person is happily eating your money and you have given charity. Don't think about that examination fee. Don't think about 6 months. Think about only your family. Am I safe? Is my family safe? Everyone around you, in your immediate family, mom, dad, siblings, are they safe? Any kids are there? Any elderly people are there? Is it safe if I go out to write the examination? So consider all these parameters. Consider vaccine availability. Even if vaccine is available also, 2 shots will not be completed within this 35 days. No. From today you have 39 days. 40th day is the exam. How will you prepare? From tomorrow if you start also, it will be very difficult for you to prepare 8 exams. It will be very difficult for you to complete 8 exams. 8 subjects in 30 days is very difficult. If I say anything is possible, you study from tomorrow, I am working against my consciousness. I am not truthful to the students. So I am telling you, it is humanly impossible for any person to handle this kind of psychological, emotional issues, to fight against this kind of pandemic, and to take care of the family and focus on the exams and write 8 subjects. It is very difficult. Now students will get 1000 questions. Sir, opt out will be given. Sir, again they will open window. Sir, can I change my examination center? Sir, I applied for both groups. Can I make it single group? Sir, I applied for single group. Can I make it both the groups? Sir, what to do, sir? How many questions students will have? So, beta, you are in a danger zone. You are in a danger zone. So, think smart, think peacefully, no hurry, no rush, don't run against the time. Just take a very good decision for your life. Life is more important. Life is more. The other day, my own mom was telling me 3-4 days back. Point number 1, it is not about COVID. TK. Someone, got tested positive. Let it be. Hospital bed is available, hospital bed is not available, that remdesivir, some injection is available, not available. Now ICMR said that is not required also. I don't know. So, do you know how private hospitals are charging for this? I know a person who is working as a general manager in a private company. He has spent 38 lakhs. He is 45 years old. He has spent 38 lakhs for the treatment of mom and dad. Thank God, mom and dad recovered and got discharged from the hospital. Now they are at their residence only. But this guy is saying, my 22 years of savings, 22 years I worked hard and I saved money. All my savings are gone, Pawan. People who are not, socially in the last quadrant, they are well off. Even they exhausted their savings and now they are doing fundraising, catching the beggar ball and asking, "Arey, fundraising yaar, paisa chahiye yaar, please." So I have some 1400, 1500 contacts in my mobile phone. How many statuses requesting for, this is the situation, please transfer money. This is the situation, please do something. So every day some student will ask, "Pawan sir, please can you put this in your status, Pawan sir?" So how much of nonsense is going on around? It is not only about the health, it is about the money also. Akshay Kumar got tested, Alia Bhatt got tested positive. They have enough money to quarantine in an island. They will buy one island or they'll go to another country. They can isolate themselves for 1 year. 1 year they can stay in a 5-star hotel. What about you and I? What about you and I? So, can we spend that lakhs of rupees and get the treatment? All these are, this is a cobweb, okay? This is literally a cobweb. I'm feeling like I am in the middle of a spider web and there is web across me. So, sarpaviham bolte hai na? You are stuck. So, I really do not know how to take it. It took time for me to digest this. I'm telling you, the sky will not fall if you are not writing the exam. Even if you are over ambitious also, if you have applied for both the groups also, downsize it to single group, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Pawan sir, I cannot write the exam. Straight go to your father, go to your mother and say, I am not ready. I am not ready for the exam. So students are saying highly tensed moment. Yes, I agree. Whether center change option will be given, we don't know. This is the last attempt for old syllabus. That is the worst thing. I am so sorry for the students. This is like point blank. This is your last attempt, dear IPCC. So at least dear ICA, give one more attempt, yaar, bichare log. Poor students. They are struggling for years and they are unable to give up. You should appreciate their patience levels and their never giving up attitude. और एक attempt दे दो यार till November 2021 or till May 2022. क्या जाता है? Please, for IPCC students at least 1-2 attempts, so that they'll not feel the pressure of you have to attempt the exam, otherwise you are gone. That should not be there. Okay, if possible, even we request ICAI. I don't know, will I be able to do it formally with a written letter or something to ICAI, because I have some of the Central Council members known to me. I'll ask them, sir, is it possible to request for one more attempt for IPCC? If it is possible, I'll do it. If it is possible for the students, I'll do it. Then November exams will be impacted. So Bhavna is asking, what about November exams? But one thing I'll tell you, ma, till this exam, July exam, we cannot say anything about November exam. If the July exam happens now, then based on this weekend, if 2 months postponement happened here, 1 month postponement will happen there. So maybe probably in December it will happen. 10 days will go easily. How will people self 1 month, no study environment at home, library is closed? Correct, Ankit. I can understand. If you are prepared enough, is it wise to write? Ajay, if you are prepared enough, then take all the precautions. If possible, purchase a PPE kit. 300 rupees, a matter of gloves, double mask, face shield. Then go and write the exam. Otherwise, don't take risk, okay? So, this getting affected in the name of exam, you go and then you bring corona to home, how bad it would be. What about foundation? So, foundation, we do not know, ma'am. ICI has not mentioned anything about foundation. We are still waiting for that. Foundation ke baare mein, nothing they mentioned about foundation. Maybe they'll make it MCQ mode and they will announce completely home-based. We don't know, like how CMA has done. I know, Rahul, it is very difficult to see for 45 minutes of travel in flight, sitting in that PPE, how difficult it is. I have experienced, I know, 3 hours sitting with PPE, and that too in July, it will be peaks of summer. No air conditioning will be there in your examination. I know how difficult it is to write. But imagine if you are not following it, if you bring corona home. Very difficult. Aditi, then Tanesh, everybody is asking about foundation. Foundation also will ask. I have 1-2 contacts with Central Council members. I'll try to speak with them. If I get any information, definitely I'll pass on to you. So don't worry. Foundation का 1-2 दिन लेंगे. In 1-2 days, I'll come back. अगर हो रहा है एग्जाम तो प्लीज वापस चेंज मत करना. अब जो भी हो. True, I understand. Old course करेंगे. कल्याणी घोष old course definitely we'll see. IPCC के लिए extension तो देना ही पड़ेगा. So you cannot ask the student to migrate into new course in this situation. So our attempt देना ही पड़ेगा ICI को. We'll see what best we can do. Okay, we'll beg if it is required, dear ICI. Please do that in the interest of students. करेंगे. nearby examination center, there should be an option. Rashid Mohammed is asking, is there any option to get nearby examination center? Last time, you know, in this opt out and all these things happened, no, my article student is saying, Pavan sir, near to my house within 2 kilometers exam center is there, normally I write here, and ICI has given examination center which is 42 kilometers away. How can I travel? JEE advanced be held on 3rd July, postponed today only. Yes, correct. Shruti, you're right. So, jo exam July में, you know, they scheduled it originally, they are postponing, and ICI is scheduling in July now. So, isn't it funny thing? Ishan Khatri, chances of further postponement hai. Ishan, I think more than 50% of chances are there that ICI will postpone this again. So, this postponement, though, I feel personally that it will be postponed. And this is not in a good taste. इतना हरी में क्यों ऐसा notification देना 5th July and all? I think it is released in a hurry. But actually speaking, they are big people with brains. They understand the political, economical, you know, then medical angle of all these things, and they might have considered all these things. But having said that, still in a haste, this is 5th July. I am not comfortable with this. Sir, for final also old course at least one more attempt. हाँ देना ही पड़ेगा. Jitendra, correct. You're right. Both for CA intermediate level and final level, for old syllabus students, 1-2 attempts देना ही पड़ेगा. Because imagine if you are a final student, from final old FR, if you are coming to final new FR, I teach FR, it is suicidal. There is no nexus. You feel you are lost in a jungle. From old syllabus FR, if you are coming to new syllabus FR, I'm telling you, you are gone. You are screwed. You are screwed. So it is very difficult. ICI conducted exams as per schedule, 24th June foundation. Maybe they want to, because some states still in full lockdown. Correct. Correct. Full lockdown. Opt-out option will be available or no? Opt-out option bhi dete hai. I think opt-out option will be there. When they announce the schedule, they'll give opt-out option also. Notification came early to book slot before ICSI. Maybe correct. Justin, this is also one angle. But see, what is the point of booking examination centers here? Come on. Ahead of CS, ahead of CMA, why are you worried about examination centers? Think about the life of students and health, no? Examination centers तो मिलेगा. कितने सारे schools and colleges है यार. Schools and colleges तो है बहुत सारे. Panic attack, correct. Can we consider it as alarm call to prepare students for exam? Correct. So we don't know. Unable to concentrate, correct. West Bengal government, there will be no exam can conduct till 30th June. That is the reason these people, Rohan is saying, West Bengal said that. That is the reason these people gave 5th July now. Nearby examination center. Sir, when you start test series will start in 2 days, ma. Aditya, test series and study plan, we have to start in 2 days. I thought from 1st July, but now we do not have that much of time. Normally, I give free test series, free study plans and all, no. So my study plan, yesterday only I made a video. It's not even 24 hours. Yesterday I thought I'll give this plan from 1st June onwards. But now I'm thinking of within 1-2 days, 28th or 29th, we have to start. 2-3 days before the month end itself, we have to start. Deepak Sahu, old syllabus extension to honi chahiye. We will ask the institute. That is what even I told. So definitely we'll ask. Shiva Reddy, what about CA foundation exam? Boss, there is no certainty on it. Old syllabus ka kya hoga, sir? Ganga Diya Jigar, old syllabus ka extension, at least one attempt dena hi padega. So we all request ICI to give 1 or 2 attempts to old syllabus more. And if possible, this 5th July exams should be done at the end of July or August. So maybe to push the student to start the preparation, they might have done this. To push the student, you know, to prepare. Maybe students are lazy, so let us push the student to prepare. That also could be, you know, a strategy. Tanishk is asking, sir, which subject you teach? Tanishk, I teach accounts and finance. ऑडिट एज वेल। सीबीएसई से पहला कैसे एग्जाम हो सकता है आईसीएआई, दैट इज अगेन ए डिफरेंट स्टोरी। सीबीएसई के पहले या इसके बाद कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता। अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ सेंटर्स, इफ इट इज द क्राइटेरिया, दे कैन एडजस्ट द टाइमिंग्स आल्सो। प्रीवियसली 2 to 5 एग्जामिनेशन टाइमिंग्स दे कन्वर्टेड टू 3 to 6 नो, तो वो तो हो सकता है। Further chances of postponement are there, Vinod, there are further chances of postponement. Personally, I am thinking ICI has given this now itself, but I think there is a possibility of postponement again. So wise decision should be exam from 15th August. Correct, Ankit, even yesterday I told the same thing. August first week will be ideal, or maybe at least last week of July. So first group of final left, should I give, considering if I fail we'll have only 3 months for November and can't go for a job which is much needed for me. Shyam, now don't think of anything about November exam and all. Just in the interest of, in your personal interest, start preparing for the exam, assuming that 5th July is the exam date. Till ICI tells that there is a postponement, we cannot assume. My personal opinion is there will be a postponement of this 5th July exam also. But as a student, you just, have a stone heart, start preparing. If at all you are ready for the exams, if you feel like, sir, physical health, mental health अच्छा नहीं है, and atmosphere में बहुत सारा cases है, मेरा society में बहुत सारा cases है, vaccine availability नहीं है, in that case, don't worry, after 6 months you write the exam. No vaccine in my city, कहीं पे भी नहीं है भाईजान, not in your city, in my city also it is not there. So even I am waiting for vaccine for the last 1 month. True, West Bengal में नहीं ये. Sir, when will you start the batch for May 22? Tanishk, I will give you the dates, ma. When we are starting the next batch and all, I will give you the dates. Should merge it with ICI, should merge it with November. Rahul, they will not do that. Even if we request that also, they will not do that. At least conduct in August is wise. Conduct in August is wise. Second group IPCC का तब तो 13th जुलाई के बाद ही होनी चाहिए, 5th जून से फर्स्ट ग्रुप का हो तो ओके. नो वैक्सीनेट इन वेस्ट बंगाल, nowhere it is there. कल्याणी घोष, nowhere it is there. Opt out आएगा. Yes, Arun is asking free test series please, free test series please. See Arun, 100% I will give you free test series, free study plan within 2 days. I thought of giving it from 1st June onwards, but now I will sit overnight. It takes lot of effort for me to prepare all these, study plans, question papers. It is actually a very big task, but I will do it for you. Within 48 hours, I'm telling you, note down the time. Within 48 hours, I will give you study plan. I will give you free test series. Okay, some 40 exams, daily one exam, 30 exams, 30 question papers, 30 answer papers with study plan on what day, which topic you need to study, everything I'll give you. Don't worry. Everything I'll give you. Tanishk, we do have online classes also. Then vaccination not done even for 20% of population. Bhaijan, what are you speaking? 20% are not even 5% covered properly. That is what the news is. They are saying maybe 10%. See, simple, okay. Even if you, now at present, 2 million people are getting vaccinated every day. That means 20 lakh people. Take your calculator. 20 lakh people one day means 1 crore. 1 crore people 5 days. If 1 crore people 5 days, 140 crore people, 140 into 5 is 700 days. That means 2 years. Till the middle of 2023, vaccination ऐसा ही चलता रहेगा unless the government sends volunteers home to home, door to door. You appoint thousands or lakhs of people, ask them go door to door and then give vaccination. Vaccine drive will not be complete in next 2 years. Even if you do 20 lakh people vaccination every day, that is what government is releasing the data. If it is correct, if government data is correct, 20 lakh people are getting vaccinated now. That takes 700 days to complete 140 crore people. So do you think vaccination in a country like India, it is easy? No. Sir, I love your every class, sir. Please rock it, sir. Very, very thank you so much for your free revision and accounting standard classes. Sendil Ramanan, thank you so much. Thanks for your good words. Opt out, can we change group, applied both the groups? Rahul, that is possible. That is possible. टेस्ट सीरीज आईपीसीसी के लिए भी होगा क्या? अंकिता सुराना टेस्ट सीरीज आईपीसीसी के लिए भी है. फॉर सीए इंटरमीडिएट सेपरेट शेड्यूल इज देयर, फॉर आईपीसीसी separate schedule is there, free schedule with study plan with question papers on daily target basis. I will release everything, will be free of cost. I'll give separately for IPCC also. What positive situation does ICA see in today to decide exam dates so hurriedly? Can't understand. True, I agree with you. Nearest exam center in my town is 45 kilometers away. PPE kit for 3 hours is very difficult. Srinath, I understand. Sir, what about CA Foundation? ललित आदित्य, CA Foundation के बारे में फिलहाल अब तक तो कुछ अनाउंसमेंट नहीं आया, so we have to wait. I'll try to speak with some central council member. If I get any first-hand information, officially or informally, I will communicate that to you. CA final law or audit 40% क्या होगी पूरी? Test series is also for foundation exam. Tanishka, I'll try with that. If possible, please upload CA Inter Group 1 accounting standards with solved questions. Ria, all the accounting standards for Group 1 along with questions, answers freely available in my YouTube channel, and also it is available in our mobile application. In our mobile application, when you download mobile application, free resources bolke, there is a batch. In that free resources, go to video section, there is one folder, accounting standards. Every standard with concept explanation, with questions, with answers, free of cost is available there. Please continue with the free costing classes. TK, sure, I'll start with costing free classes. CA final accounting standards revision. Kalyani, I'll do accounting standards revision also. It is there in my mind. Please continue with the costing classes. हाँ करेंगे भाई, करेंगे. We don't know why they have come with this notification. We really do not know. Let us wait and see. अभी तो आया है. 1 day 2 days we'll see, maybe any other further information will be there. Sir, what life we are living exactly. Ajay, I agree with you. I myself, boss, I have motivated lakhs of people in my life, and I am personally demotivated because of sitting in 4 corners, and I am cooking. I don't know where kitchen is in my house also for 10 years of my life. Now I am going into kitchen. I am cooking for time pass. Can you believe? I am playing video games. I am washing dishes, dude. I am washing clothes. और क्या बोलो, इज्जत चला जाएगा यहाँ. स्टूडेंट समझते हैं पवन सर तो तोप है बड़ा. क्या पवन सर है, किचन में चाय बना रहा है डेली. Because someone is saying, some student is saying, sir, we are exhausted. So think of people who are 35 plus. So Vishwa, they have postponed so many times last year. 5 times I think they have postponed. Last year they gave dates, then postponed, and finally merged with no. They have not merged with November. They have conducted exam, no? Oh, May exam they were unable to conduct. Correct, you are right. Is it really possible to take exam in July? I don't think it is possible. Nandu is saying heart is coming into pants after the notification. Kiran is saying, I have got vaccine first dose, is it enough? Kiran, to be effective, 2 doses are required, but you are fortunate enough to get first dose. I couldn't get first dose also. Very good. You got vaccine. It is not enough, but still you are safer than others, we can assume. So Udita Khandelwal, as of now, there is no update on the foundation. We are waiting for that. Either ICI will come up with some clarity, or I will speak with some central council member and I will inquire about foundation. If I get any information, I will communicate that to you. Please take revision classes on SM and auditing. Karenge, we'll see. Please upload revision material about overheads. I missed it live. Abhishek, overheads revision classes will be given in the mobile application. Don't worry, it will be given free of cost. It will be given completely free of cost. ICSI exams, sir, please get one more attempt in CA IPCC. That is the need of the hour. Bhagwan, that is the need of the hour. We have to fight or beg or do whatever. We have to get one more attempt for CA फाइनल एंड इंटर ओल्ड सिलेबस स्टूडेंट्स आईपीसीसी के लिए और फाइनल ओल्ड सिलेबस के लिए एक दो अटेम्प्ट देना ही पड़ेगा. विल आस्क. JEE exams got postponed. Correct. Kalyani, for CA final also this accounting standards are relevant. You can find it. CAP classes is the name of the app for both iOS and Android. Go to Google Play Store, go to App Store, type CAP classes, download the application, then go to free resources, go to accounting standards. You can see all the accounting standards free of cost. Is there a possibility of exams getting merged with November, Dravid? So Dravid, I don't think it will be merged with November, but there is a possibility of postponement. That is what I am saying. There is a possibility of postponement. वो तो होना ही है. Yeah, someone is saying Kiran is lucky. If possible, please arrange revision classes. और हाँ करेंगे भाई revision classes. We will definitely do revision classes. Is it possible to take foundation exam in June? Center based, if it is center based examination, having exam in June is impossible. If it is computer based examination, from remote, from your home, if you can write, if ICAI can announce that, like how CMA has done last year, if ICAI can do that, then they will conduct examinations for foundation in this June. Otherwise, it is not possible. If situation is not clear, then why ICAI came up with such notification? Because that is why we are saying no, it is little in a hurry. It is little in a hurry. What to do, how to restart? Ashwant Revati, simple ma. First step one, make your mind. Are you really going to write the exam? Or you are giving up? Decide. Nothing wrong if you do not want to write exam on 5th July. If someone is keeping, gun point blank and asking you to write CA exams, vaisa nahi hoga. With all the peace in the world, if you are writing exam itself, it is very difficult to pass. So you don't write the exam under any stress and pressure. If you cannot handle that, give up. If you cannot handle that, give up. Once you make your mind, if you want to write the exam, then start preparation from tomorrow morning, at least 2 hours, 3 hours. Before reaching the actual pace, at least 2 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours. Start preparation from tomorrow. Within 1-2 days, I will give you free study plan. So once the study plan is out, strictly follow my study plan. I am telling you, it definitely works. I call it Ranker's study plan because I achieved ranks by following that kind of study plans, and many of my students also who followed that kind of study plans, they cleared both the groups, they got ranks and all. So I'll release that. I'll give you free of cost within 2 days. Priyanka, thank you for all your efforts, sir. Most welcome, ma. Please provide free test series. Gambhir, definitely test series will be provided free of cost, not even 1 rupee. Free of cost test series will be provided. Maybe from day after tomorrow onwards. ICAI has some intention with this notification. We don't know. Asha Lakshmi is saying ICAI has some intention. I don't know. So will there be an opt-out announcement? Aditi Narayan, there will be opt-out announcement. There should be opt-out announcement. Revision classes to aayega, sir. Study plan for CA final also. Krish, I will try ma. Study plan normally I give for CA enter. This time I am thinking of giving for CA final also. I will try. I will give it to you. What are the chances in percentage for conducting 5th July? Half, 50-50. That is what I told. More probability is for postponement only. So cases are increasing. Will ICAI conduct the exams? Vishwa, that is the question we all have. It is very difficult. Sir, I think we were not studying because no date. So now we have a target. Correct. Kiran, that is a positive way of taking this notification. Start. Do something for CA final, old course, study plan, test series, revision classes and all. Kalyani, definitely I will do. Tricky notification. Someone is saying ICAI needs to issue a detailed plan on SOP so as to assure students about their health. Need to clarify how they assessed the present situation. Very good. This is actually making a lot of sense. In such worse situation, how can I study? Please help with study schedule. Rujita, study schedule will be given to you within 1-2 days, ma. सर ये क्यों गाली खाने के काम करते हैं? पता नहीं भाईजान, हाईली अनप्रेडिक्टेबल. Any idea about CA exams? Kidambi Sudarshan. Sudarshan, as of now, no idea, but this great notification came now. One love letter came, another love letter will come soon. So CS love letter, CMA love letter will follow CA love letter. So CA will be first in giving Valentine's gift. So after this, ICSI and ICMA, they will give. Why ICI do not go with views of members and students, at least during such situation behave? Correct. I agree with you. ICI should have considered the intention of students and members. At least open one portal and ask, are we ready to write examinations? Sir, please help me with IPCC schedule. Definitely I'll give you IPCC schedule, ma. Then, sir, you are great, big fan. That means so much. Cases are decreasing in states where it is increasing, like Maharashtra, Delhi. We have death rate. True, agree. Chinmay Sawant, I completely agree with you. I completely agree with you. Okay, so guys, again I'm telling you the summary. Before I log off, I'm telling you the summary. Please do not take any stress. If this notification is creating any kind of panic attack or stress to you, take 1-2 days of time, and nothing wrong if you are not writing exam on 5th July. The world is not going to end. The sky is not going to fall. You are not going to die. In a span of your 80 years of quality and beautiful life, 6 months is not a big deal. If you are ready physically, mentally, emotionally, preparation wise, from all the corners, if you are ready, then only write the exams. Otherwise, just have an attitude of saying, dear ICI, one namaste to you. Sorry, I cannot write the exams. I will write in the next day content. That's all. Nothing wrong. It is not shame. There is no stigma. Nothing is wrong if you are not writing the exam. No one will put neck here or point blank and ask you write exam. Even if your parents are asking you to write exam also, make them understand the situation. 90% of the parents understand the situations. 10% of parents who are strict to the child, if they are asking, no, go and write examination. If you are not ready, request them, tell them, touch your feet, leave me for this time. If you are not ready. But if you are ready, start preparation from tomorrow onwards. To help you, I will release study plan, integrated test series, daily examinations, question papers, answer papers, everything will be given to you. Everything will be given to you free of cost. So you can download our CAP Classes mobile application or Telegram channel. All these things will come to you. Okay, don't take any stress. Life is more important. Health is important. Happiness is important. Family is important, not mark sheet and certificate. If you lose family and if you get All India first rank, will you be happy? If you get COVID and if you pass CA enter group 1, will you be happy? No. Treatments are very costly. Beds are not available. Oxygen is not available. Medicines are not available. And very, very costly. It is beyond the capacity of any individual normally living in India. 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs are the hospital bills. Don't take any risk. If, again I'm telling you, if you are ready from all the senses, all the corners, physically, mentally, emotionally, preparation wise, family wise, and environment, everything, if it is favorable to you, then only write the exam. Otherwise, no. If you are writing the exam, within 2 days I will release study plan, study according to that. Okay, so take care of your family, take care of yourself. Mental health, unfortunately, is ignored in countries like India because of population, because of poverty. But mental health, I realized with my 35 years of experience, I'm telling you, mental health, no one is taking care of your emotions. No one is thinking of personal own stress and mindset. So please do not stress yourself. Life is more important, I told you. Family is more important. Health is more important. Happiness is more important, not qualifications. Not qualifications. I have enough qualifications in my life, but still I am telling you, qualifications are not important. Family is important. At the end, if you want to write exam, I am with you. Study plan will come within 2 days, and then you can start your preparation. You understand? So stay home, stay safe. Okay. So wish you all very good luck. Stay home, stay safe. First, be happy, be healthy, survive. After that, you can think of anything. Okay. All the best, ma. God bless you. And don't worry. Free test series, free study plans will come within 2 days. Okay. Good luck. Jai Hind.